So we're in the practice room. I'm Zachary, and I'll be walking you through a brief introduction on how to use the practice room. First, you need to make sure your audio and video is on. You can check the audio by looking at the audio meter here in the bottom left-hand corner. Your video you can turn on by clicking on Open Camera, which we will do in a few minutes. So, I would like to draw your attention to the timer here, class time. When you enter the practice room, this will start from 0.
And this timer will go up to 60 minutes.
So take your time, take a breath, and when you're ready, you can get started. If you make an error, that's okay. Just pause momentarily, maybe for a few seconds. Remember, it is a practice room after all. So before I go through some slides, let me quickly remind you that the practice room is the perfect place to work on a few key essential teaching tips. For example, your speaking speed. Make sure you are not speaking too quickly. Your usage of TPR and your facial expressions. So it's important to have a big smile, even though there isn't a student present. And with that, let's go over a couple slides. So I will teach as though I'm interacting with a student, even though there is no student present. Hello. How are you? What's your name? Bao Bao? Nice to meet you, Bao Bao. Are you ready? Hello. My name is Teacher Zach. Say, hi, Teacher Zach. What's your name? My name is Bao Bao. Bao Bao, how old are you? 5. Wow. Say, I'm 5 years old. How are you? I'm happy. Are you ready? Let's go. Bao Bao, when you do a good job, you get a sticker. A dino sticker. Let's sing. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I'm fine, fine, fine. I'm fine, fine, fine. Very good. High five. Ksh, ksh. Good job. As you can see, it's not so different, even though the student isn't in the practice classroom. It's important to use that TPR, the slow speaking speed, and whatever props and things that you would normally use when you're teaching your student, even though the student isn't there. Once you've taught for at least 25 minutes, when you're satisfied, submit your class. It is important that you teach for 25 minutes. So, as soon as the class time
Reaches 60 minutes.
you will have the option to submit the video or drop the class. If you're not happy with the class, you can drop it and then record a new one. If you are, then you can click Submit Now. When you are teaching, if you wish to start over from the beginning, please let the time run out, drop the class, and record another class. With that, you're ready to use the practice room. Thank you for watching and happy teaching!